LAPD operator 590.
Yes, we have somebody that was acting erratically the other night, and now he's shooting pellets out of his, what is it? It's an AR-15. He's shooting pellets, and it's hitting our overhang.
What's the address?
What's the address again? Bakman, B-A-K-M-A-N, Avenue, North Hollywood.
Now, one emergency operator 587, CHP with the transfer. Okay. Hello?
Thank you. Hi, yes?
Hi, what's your emergency?
Somebody just shot through my window, either with a BB or a bullet. I don't know which.
Did you see a vehicle or a description of the person that did it?
There's no vehicle that could have done it. It's facing apartment windows, and I didn't see anybody. Thank God I was sitting down. It's over my sofa. So.
Okay, what's the address?
Bakman, B-A-K-M-A-N, Avenue, number 8.
Gonzalo Morales.
21, have all units responding to Bakman, helmet up. Get the shield out, fuck it.
Second floor.
Here, I'll hold the shotgun.
Units responding. Suspect in the mail to the back call Bakman. Suspect in the mail in Hispanic, 5'11", 40 years, the mohawk with a beard.
We got fucking as many lethals as we had. We got shield.
You want to stop traffic coming down?
Yeah. Hey. Unit 21. Have units also the next unit responding block north southbound traffic on Bakman from Magnolia.
Units responding block.
Guys, come over here. Come on.
From Bakman from Magnolia.
Come here.
30 West frequency, north and southbound at Magnolia. And then northbound traffic from Austin and Bakman.
Guys, come over here. Everybody, get over here. We're safe.
15 shows responding for Bakman.
15 C1 Roger.
Did you guys hear gunshots?
15 5.
Did you guys hear gunshots? How many?
Oh yes, 15X5 is responding code 3 from North Hollywood Station to...
What apartment is this guy in?
Bakman Avenue.
.206. Okay, just come over here where it's safe, okay? Try to get everybody over here. If you know anybody that lives in the apartment, call them, tell them to get out of the building now. Just, ma'am, come this way behind the car. Come this way behind the car.
Queen 6161.
Hold on, I hear something. Let me see your hands, man, let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! He came out with a crossbow.
Hey, stand by, we got contact. Stand by, stand by. Stand by, we got contact.
He had a crossbow?
It looked like a crossbow, pointed up.
Hey, we just had contact in the hall. Suspect stepped out with a crossbow.
Possible. Looked like a crossbow.
All right, Dan, what do you think? You want to get these girls out of here?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, ladies. Come to me, please.
Hey, Tony, he went back in,
I know.
locked the door.
Okay.
Spooked him pretty good.
As soon as you step out, we need to boot down to the stairs on this end of the building down here. Okay? Yes. We'll go down the back staircase, but then I want you to go downstairs and out the front. Okay? What do you look like?
Male, white shaved head, tall and thin.
Okay. You guys ready? Yeah.
He had a camouflage top on.
Dan, by the hallway.
Got it.
Go. Step back. Hold it. Eddie, step in and hold the door. Hold the door.
Monsieur Hands, man. Monsieur Hands.
Who the fuck stopped you? Who the fuck stopped you right now? Who are you?
Drop it. Drop it. Ah! Yeah, I got it.
Hey, just shut the door.
Hey, stand by. The shots were not fired by the suspect. That was us. The suspect fired a crossbow at us, and we got an officer hit.
Dan, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
We're in, right? Okay, stay out of it, stay out of it.
Give me another launcher ball. You want another one in?
Not yet. Roger that. We're going to deploy. Second one, side 3.
Go on in.
Go. Get out, get out. Turn around again. Okay. Okay.
Tell me this is the head of the,
No, we're not. We got another one?
No, the little
Here, I
round.
got one. Here. Here. Steer position. You just identified one window to the left of the drain pipe. Is that the window? One left of the drain pipe? Roger, we're going to deploy a third round of gas to the left of the third drain pipe. Be careful.
Go on in.
Go.
I got him. He's in 202. He's in 202.
Okay, our suspect is in 202. He's next door in 202.
Hey, Joe.
Can you call him out? Yeah, let me... Hey, Andy,
Get another launch.
let me get by in case I gotta shoot. I just want you to move on there. There you go.
Call him up. It's not.
The one east, just east. So the way you're looking at it to the right.
Shut the volume.
202. The one we cleared. We evacuated.
Yeah, hold off on that for a second. We got eyes on it.
I know. Hey, Joe,
Is that him? Is he laying down?
He's on his ass.
Morales, no one's been hurt, man. Show us your hands, man, or it's going to get much more uncomfortable for you.
He has his hands up now.
You got your hands, keep your hands where we can see them, buddy.
Crawl down.
Come on, crawl down this way. Crawl down, no one's going to hurt you. You haven't hurt anybody. Come on over here, buddy.
He has his hands up.
Thanks for your service in the military, man.
He's coming this
Semper
way.
Fi, buddy.
You guys slide
Come on.
Coming this way.
Come on down, buddy.
Come this way.
Ivan, you got hooks?
Keep coming, man. You're doing good, buddy.
It should be popping out any minute.
You're doing good. Keep coming.
He's right on top of the stairs. I got handcuffs.
Here you go, buddy. Keep coming.
Hey, hands up! Hands up!
Semper Fi, buddy. Semper Fi.
Keep
Come
coming
on.
down.
We got your hands.
Keep coming down.
Come on, man. Come on.
Come on, buddy. Keep coming down.
No one's gonna hurt you, man. Come on.
I'm walking with my hands up.
Okay,
Listen, come on.
You're not gonna kill me?
No, come on, man.
No one's gonna kill me?
No, we're not gonna kill you, man.
Brothers, okay, here I am walking with
All
my
right, man.
hands.
Good job. So far, no one's been hurt,
No,
man.
is anything making you want to kill me?
No, come on, man.
I just want to make sure.
Morales, come on, man.
I'm not gonna
You got a bunch of Marines down here, man. Come on.
Oh, yeah?
You're one of the brothers, man. Come on.
Thank you, brother. I'm not gonna kill.
No.
No, come on. Come on, man.
My hands.
I got you.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Okay, I'm fine. But you know, I'm worried every step you're gonna kill me.
I'm
No.
not. We're not.
Keep coming, buddy. There you
go. Come on out.
Yeah, come on. Scoot over a little bit. Cross over. Keep coming. Come on.
There you go, buddy.
Okay. You got him? All right, let's get him out. Who's inside the room?
Nobody. There's nobody there. It was just me. I was chilling.
Let's search him right here.
I wasn't expecting to be killed. Like, I almost killed when I...
I don't know.
Yeah, if anybody needs to get the heck out of there.
Joe, I'm going to walk with you. Face the wall right here. Face the wall. We got a car in front of me? Hey, is there a car? A car to get him in. Black and white or something?
He was in Marine Suit?
Oh, yeah.
I was a 2nd Battalion, 23rd Marine Golf Company. 2nd Platoon, 2nd Fire Team leader.
You have any other weapons
from
on you,
Morales? I hope not. I wouldn't mind a cigarette if that's possible.
You good?
I'm alive, I guess. I don't know if that's good or bad.
Just right here, face that vehicle.
All right.